This national park means the world to me. A few weeks after my high school graduation, I went on my very first road trip with no parents or chaperones, just 3 of my best friends and the open road of the incredible Rocky Mountains.
Let's go.
So here I am, 6 years later in a hunt to experience all 63 national parks. This mission has brought Dylan and I to see elk in the rut in the park that has started it all for me. Welcome to Rocky Mountain National Park. Just landed in Denver. Dylan's gonna pick me up in the rental car, and we've got a bit of a surprise whip on this one. I'm super pumped for it.
Tezzy. There's lots of functions to this thing. I am completely lost. What the heck? Why did that just... Oh, the backup mirrors. The back... Okay. Never mind. I've been driving a clutch. This is quite the opposite of that.
All right, Dylan should be pulling up any second now.
This thing drives nuts. Whoa. I'm freaking out. This is a dream.
Oh, there he is, there he is. Oh, hooping for Isaac!
Colorado, 75 degrees and sunny, baby!
Woo! This is my roommate Dylan, who is also the brilliant creator of any music you hear throughout our channel. Our friendship started in high school choir and has evolved into us diving headfirst into the most beautiful areas of our country. We like to have a pretty good time with just about anything we do together, but you'll see what I mean.
Let's go.
All right, night number 1. We're headed to Rocky Mountain National Park tomorrow, but first we're staying in Hermit's Hollow Campground, just southeast of Estes Park. Beautiful spot, 25 bucks a night, perfect weather. It's gonna get chilly tonight, but we're gonna have a bonfire.
Come on, though. That was dramatic.
Where does the fuel come out of?
I think I gotta back up.
Oh, dang it. All right, Dill. Rocky Mountain National Park. Here we come. Woo! 16 down, 47 to go.
Quick math.
So one caveat to this park is that there's a timed entry system for cars. So the way that works is from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. you have to actually have a reservation to drive your car into the park. So we're just gonna sit here and wait until 2 because there's no more slots available. And then after 2 we can just enter with our pass. Okay. I don't know if you heard that. We can hear him bugling though. It's like a whoop, whoop. Yeah. We're gonna go find a spot, lay low in this swath of land created by glaciers.
Nice.
That's what a moraine is. Swath of land that you see here in between mountains that was created by glaciers. That's why it's called Moraine Park.
I see one.
Really?
Over there.
We are here in mid-October, which is the last stretch of the rut for the elk, aka mating season. The males boast their massive racks and send bugles out that can be heard from miles away, all in an attempt to attract a female. Being the second largest member of the deer family, These bad boys can get up to 1,100 pounds and 5 feet tall at the shoulder, which is why you must be careful this time of year, as their pressing testosterone makes them unpredictable and very aggressive.
So the reason we're at this specific spot is because elk, they love to hang out at the intersection between a meadow and a forest. So right at that tree line, that's where we're at right now. And there's a herd of them right there. They're most active at dawn and dusk, which actually we have to get out of here because the park doesn't let you be in this area past 5 or before 10. That was sick. We counted 41 of them in the herd, and probably at least 5 or 6 big bulls. Listen to them bugle all afternoon. Day number 1 of using the Tesla. A little bit of mountain driving, nothing crazy, interstate driving, but we're loving it.
Yeah, dude. It's so much fun. This is hard. Oh my god.
It's fun to see like the future of road tripping too in general, because a lot of people that are on the road and seeing these national parks and different things like that obviously don't want to use gas and pumping emissions into the air. So,
Right.
Alrighty, on the menu tonight is a ham and cheese quesadilla over the fire. This is fine dining, folks. This is fine dining. That's even better than the microwave, believe it or not. So Dylan is claiming that he has a better Lunchables pizza over the fire than Luke does.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's not what I said. Is it what I said? Did I say that? Okay, you take your pepperoni. You put your pepperoni on first, of course. Literally. In. You block it on. Now the block is important because then you're going to use the cheese block to spread the sauce as to not get your finger saucy. You don't want it on the fire, but you want it cozy.
One bite, everybody knows the rules. I think the pepperoni's touching the bread.
Yeah.
Make them like stick there. They don't slide around.
Yep.
The sauce melts in with the cheese. The sauce gets hot. 8.1, what did I say? 8.1?
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Good morning, Rocky Mountains, baby!
Welcome to Rocky.
Hello.
Thank you.
You did it, Dill.
We're in.
Were you nervous?
No.
We're driving on Trail Ridge Road right now. This is actually the highest elevation mountain pass in the entire United States. You can drive all the way up to somewhere in the 12,000 foot range. Right now we're at 11,714 is the sign I just saw. Right behind me is the Alpine Visitor Center. It's actually the highest visitor center in the national park system. It sits at 11,796 feet, and it's closed right now because it's closed for the season. It's gonna start snowing here any day. So they're closed up, boarded up and everything, because they can expect 20 plus feet of snow.
Sharing its boundary with Estes Park, Colorado, this park was shaped by glaciers tens of thousands of years ago. Fast forward to 1803, the United States acquired this land during the Louisiana Purchase and attracted everyone from gold miners to fur trappers, ranchers, hunters, and eventually tourists. With the land becoming exhausted from the traffic, a naturalist and nature guide named Enos Mills worked tirelessly to create the park. In 1915, after 6 years of Enos's effort, President Woodrow Wilson signed the Rocky Mountain National Park Act, creating this country's 10th National Park.
Right here, we're looking over Moraine Park where we were last night. And if you look right there, that's Long's Peak, the highest peak in the park, and also one of the 14ers that everybody in Colorado talks about. It's over 14,000 feet, hence why it's called a 14er. And it's kind of a big deal in the mountaineering world. Dude, someone trashed the place.
Yeah, dude, they left an air mattress, the whole tent. It's like a big setup for a tent, too. Gosh, it's also... This is horrible, man.
I don't know if I've ever seen anything like this.
This is not the way we left it now.
Oh! Do that again.
What, pick it up?
No. Hit it together. Oh, okay. I got an idea. Oh, dude, those are diapers. Don't touch those.
Gross, dude. Oh, and tampons?
Yeah,
I'm not touching those.
we'll skip that.
I'm not touching those.
All right, overall, very impressed with the Tesla as a road trip vehicle.
Tessie can camp.
Yeah, Tessie can camp. We were in a metro area, which helped a lot. We had to charge it up twice. That's important. So backcountry stuff might get a little sketchy, but it tells you exactly how much battery you're going to use for the destination you have. And there's a lot of cool features, a lot of games, and
I really liked the, like, in the nighttime when we would go to, like, get changed and, like, do our, like, brush our teeth and stuff. There's, like, the lighting that happens, like, the ambient lighting is super nice. You can see everything. It even, like, lights up your feet.
Yep.
That was super nice.
Really, it's great. It's just a matter of putting these chargers in the backcountry areas, I guess would be the only thing. Otherwise, you can definitely do it.
So what are we doing here, Ike?
This is called packing up a wet tent to get on a plane.
Yeah.
Super thrilling, super exciting, but we're just gonna pack it up in the fall and then deal with it later.
Bingo.
This park has it all, which is why it's one of the most popular in the national park system. The wildlife and the mountains are the epitome of the Colorado vibe. If you plan on traveling here yourself, I have 3 recommendations for you. Number 1, think ahead. There are timed entry reservations that are required to enter the park from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. daily. Additionally, most of the campsites are booked out 6 months in advance. 2, plan for weather. The Rocky Mountains are infamous for volatile weather. One minute it'll be sunny and 75, and the next will be heavy rain and high winds. Number 3, watch out for wildlife. This park is packed with everything from moose to bears, so make sure to follow seasonal guidelines and be on the lookout for anything that could either squish or eat you. Onward and upward, as they say. For our next national park, Dylan and I are going to join up with our girlfriends, Kira and Lou, to experience an entirely different biome, the deserts of California. We will see you in Joshua Tree National Park in 2 weeks.
Testing, 1, 2. This
3.
is... Okay, we just figured out how to use the frunk.
Well, no. I already knew how to use it.
Okay, Dylan knew how to use it. I keep looking for mechanical things in here. So for the frunk, I was looking for like a handle to pull. But here's how you do it. Let's walk through here. Dylan, you wanna walk us through?
I thought we just learned. Okay, so do you think
Do I think what?
Just do you think? The first one to actually do a crane kick and land back on this thing is the winner. Okay?
Well, that was quick, huh?
Yep, I won. Nice, stop right there. Look at the size of that dude. Is he like the king of this flock right here, you think?